wireframe using Figma. So once you created the Figma account, so here I will go to that files. Okay, most of you guys get this kind of interface. So if you have got any other interfaces, like this is what I already tried. Okay, so if you are in a place like this, you can go here in this corner and you can go back to files. So then you will get an interface like this. So most of you guys having an interface like this. So here you can create a new design file. So here, this is where we are creating the task. So once you click this one, you are getting an interface like this. So here what we are doing is using this tool, region tool. In the region tool, we are creating frame, right? So frames. Once you click frames, in the right corner of the desktop, you will see different types of interfaces. The frames, we call it frames in Figma. So if you want to create a mobile app, you can use this one. There are screen sizes, you can see, right? If you click this one, you will get a, for example, if I am designing a wireframe work for a iPhone 14, I'll click. So I'm getting the same screen size of iPhone 14, right? So for us, we are creating a desktop website, right? So website for desktop. So I'm deleting this one. Okay, I just press delete button and delete it. Now we are creating a frame for desktop. So I'm checking here desktop. If you go to desktop, you can having different desktop sizes, right? This is the website desktop size for a MacBook. So this is the normal desktop size. So that's what I'm selecting. Or you can go for a wireframes. Wireframes also the same size, you can see, right? So the ratio is the matter. So now I'm selecting, you can select desktop or wireframe. So now I'm selecting wireframe. So now you are getting an interface like this. So this is our website board. So a frame, we can say. So here we are using this area to build our website. So if you are new to wireframe, you can use this option. So here, click this one, the question mark in the corner. So click that one and you can select this reset onboarding. Then you will get a message like this. So here, show me around. If you click show me around, it will give a small tutorial for you guys to understand the buttons and few things. So first, constraints we are having. So setting braces constraint. So this is what we have created, right? Already we have done using this button, the frame. We have created the frame. So now we have the frame. So inside the frame, we have to build our website. So I'm clicking not learn more. Sorry. So here I'm pressing next. Now we have a pen tool, right? In the pen tool, we can, it's a normal pen tool like Photoshop. So we can use that one, or you can use pencil. If you use pencil, you can draw whatever you want, right? So these things you can adjust here. The border should be rectangularized, or the depth, the size of the pen tool. If I am maximizing this one, you can see the borders, you can see, right? Now I have select this one, none. It's like a sharp edged. If I'm selecting this one, it's square. Okay, let me see. It's square. Then here a round corner. If I'm selecting round corner, it's round corner. But likewise, you can play with these things and find out this one. So what about the pen tool? If I'm using the pen tool, I'm clicking and clicking and creating a box or any kind of images. If I want to move like this, this is how the pen tool works, right? Now we have created an image like this. This is how the pen tool works, right? Okay, apart from that, we'll move next. Now we have pen tool, I'm done. So now we have plugins. We can use so many plugins here. I'll move this one here. So once you click this one, the resources, you can use few resources here. So if you want to use plugins, you can use plugins. I already created icon pack. You can use emojis, default pages. Like there are so many things. It's created by it's individually created. So now I'm using icon pack. You can recently I have select, so you can check, like search something if you want. There are resources available. Okay, so we'll check. If I'm selecting icon pack, I have to press run. Once I run this one icon pack, I'm getting. So from this icon pack, I can use the icons. For example, if I want to use this fish, I can drag and drop, right? So here I have got this one. Using shift, you press shift key, I can enlarge this image without cropping, right? So if I'm normally enlarging, it will be cropped, right? It will be aligned. But if I am pressing shift key, with shift key, I can enlarge without collapse. That's the basic things you have to know. So from here we can get some icons in our website, right? Is there any social media? Yeah, you can also getting the social media icons here. Likewise, right? So there are so many packages available. You can check. Okay. Okay. What is the next thing? Yes. This is a nice thing. You can comment. You can comment, or you can put a comment on your things. Like for example, if I want to use the comment, this one, the comment. Then I am telling this piece is not suitable, so I can like too big. So I am telling this fish is too big. So here you can add your colleagues. If you are working as a team, if you guys working as a team, you can use this option, right? So you can comment your friends' work. So you can also mention them. Here in this board, I am the only person here, so I can add myself. Otherwise, if you have the friends on the team, I will explain those things later. So you can add them. So, or you can use emojis, right? So now you have commented. So your friends can see the comment. So then they can work accordingly. They can work according to that comment. So this is the option for the comment. Okay, we have this one. Okay, what is the next option we have? These things we have completed. Okay, this is the comment option. Leave notes. It's a comment or notes, whatever you call it. Then you can share with your friends. This board you can share with your friends. Like share. Then you can add your friends' email address, or your group members' email address, your team members' email address. You can invite them, or you can copy the link and share. So this is how it works. And the share option, you can add your friends. What is the next things we have? Collaborate real time. At the real time, you can do the design changes. Collaborate real time, right? Then in the library, you can get some resources. Clicking this button, like assets. Click here, right? Go to assets. Then click this button, library. Okay, library. If you are library, you can use the things. If you already have some uploads, you can upload here. This is a kind of libraries you can use. You can share the library. So if you are uploading some images to the libraries, you can use that images as well. If your friends uploaded some images, you can share the libraries, right? This is United Library. If you publish this library, you can check this one. Create a team. First, you have to create a team for that one. Okay, that is the library option. Yeah, that is most of the thing we have covered. Let's